Sessions. My name is Keith Koza and I am joined by D-Flex. D-Flex, welcome to the studio.
Yes, Baba, blessings.
Mad blessings. It's always nice having you. This is the first time we've met in person?
No, but we keep
meeting.
Exactly.
Awesome, buddy. But it's been a while since I've met you.
Yeah, been a while. We lastly met at radio.
Right.
Yeah.
And since then, Papa said Pani Corona.
Yeah, Pani Corona.
How have you been during these COVID times?
Nyasha Dzese kuna Most High. We've been surviving. He's guiding and providing.
And did you?
Yeah, as you can see, we're in good health and good condition.
I'm happy for that.
Yeah.
And have you been vaccinated?
Yeah. Already I've been vaccinated.
Is that true?
Yeah, man, double dosed.
My father, DJ Slick.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so let's talk about D-Flex.
Yeah.
D-Flex is your stage name.
It's my stage name.
What is your real name?
Yeah, I'm born Dean Chikotora. Yeah, and I come from Kuadzana 5. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. And yes, D-Flex. The only D-Flex, you know.
You're representing Kuadzana massive.
Yeah, man.
Blessings. So for most people, they'll say Kuti Akatenga Kunzira pa town on main road.
Yeah.
But when did you start music and what was your first song?
I started music back in 2008. Yeah. Mid 2008 and getting to record Town of a Main Road by December 2008, and it was released early January 2009. Yeah, but Town of a Main Road was like I could say it was my professional first song. Yeah, because some of the songs were just freestyles, something we could do in studio. But professional, I would say Town of a Main Road was like my first song. Yeah.
I loved the creativity around Town of a Main Road. For me,
blessings.
It'll be the best song ever.
Yeah, man. I know a lot of people celebrate that one. It's a monumental type of tune.
We love it. How did you come up with such a song? What inspired you to come up with a song like that?
You see what? I believe in difference. Whenever I come up with new art, I'm that type of a character, go experimenter when it comes to music, and me doing my own thing when it comes to music wise. So, but Town of a Main Road, I had this picture in mind. Actually, Town of a Main Road didn't happen. It didn't happen, but I sketched it from the brains. Yeah, so it was type of a thing. I could say we have my directors. I know director film kuti riitike anditi vanokwanisa kutanga vanyora their film in scenery, right, in scenes. After doing so, they have a film to happen. But now I was like film rangu raisaitika but raitika vanhu vachinzwa music ichirira, yet they could picture the film happening. Yeah, that's how it came up to be. But basically the inspiration behind this song was just coming up with something different to the people.
Oh, your style is definitely different. We can talk about other songs, Anana and Diani.
Yeah.
The vibe is definitely correct. We're enjoying the vibe.
Yeah, much appreciated. Yeah.
Talking about the newer ones, organized with Vanchoga.
Yeah, man, big Chudawa, yeah.
You're crazy. that's the least I can say. You're crazy. But let's talk about that tune. You recorded the video. You released a song during COVID-19.
Yeah.
And you collaborated with Vanchoga.
Yeah.
How was it working on a project during COVID-19 and releasing a masterpiece during COVID-19?
Like I always say, inini ndwanzopa kutenda kwese kuna Most High. Normally zvinowanzoplana nekuita zvimwe zvinhu zvacho tongoita neruzivo rwedu, but ivo vanozongoedhera vangu masimba pamusoro maize. So I had this idea under lockdown, and I was like, hey, we really need to give people entertainment out there because we're really in hard times, but yet people still want to sideline their mind from being focused on just the pandemic. They would need something aside. Chinokwanisa kutora attention yavo vomborangarira kuti apart from isusu kungoramba tiri focused nekufunga these tough times, vadamboti pfungwa dzimborova nemhepo maiziva. So I had this idea organized But hence, I came on the table with my team. They got no, this is a correct piece. It's a good piece. But then, how do we take it to a next level? Vakasumuka idea kuti how about if we make it a collaboration? Tikaita collaboration organized, to collaborate nani and in which way? Saka pakazonzi to collaborate nani and in which way ndo pakazonzi collaboration organized possible, but I was forced to adjust some certain lyrics per song yange yakatokwana organized, but yakazo adjust ne zvichienderana neimwe character yatata kuengage nayo, of which the team had said let's engage with Vanchoka. One was over the idea is cool, let's go for the idea. We linked with Vanchoka's team and team yake yakafara idea, we engaged. But it's a good piece, and from the good piece tichiri release the time yatakati yatakashanda piece tatatoshanda ne visual racho ipapo, but it could not happen because ndoma days my restrictions edanga angamboita tense. So takati no, let's give it some time. Then isu I say tichibuditsa tune vataona kuti vanhu varifarira vatati no, let's now engage into the video shoot, but zvazva favorable. Then we engaged into the shoot and it was successful. Saka hence we organized. Yeah.
Genius, maga organized fire.
Yeah, I was okay.
So Deflex, we've talked about your past, your origins, we've talked about your current projects.
Yeah.
My current projects. Are you working on anything right now?
I'm working on a lot of collaborations, but I would like to hit my fans with surprises. So I'm not going to dig deep into it, but let them just expect the unexpected. But I'm working on a lot of projects and they are going to be soon out.
Awesomeness.
Yeah.
So we've talked about your current projects.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about the future of Deflex.
Yeah.
Where are you taking Deflex? So where can we see Deflex in the coming future?
In the coming future, I would say I would like to see myself. I'd like to see myself as more improved as I can be in the next coming future. Yeah. Because on daily basis we are trying to come up with something new and trying to improve ourselves. So in the future, I'm seeing myself as much improved. Yeah.
Awesomeness.
Yeah.
So here on Jive TV, we like to offer our viewers inspiration, motivation, encouragement.
Yeah.
I know that you've been in the game for a long time. You've seen a lot of things.
Yeah.
I'd like you to speak to Zimbabwe. Send out words of encouragement to the little ones. Those that love music, those that want to join music. What words of encouragement can you give Zimbabwe?
I would say it's not an easy road, but if you have to make it, first you have to confidence yourself. And apart from that, be yourself. The world will comply, the world will adjust. Easier. So basically, life is what you make it. So if you ain't going to make it, then who's going to make it for you?
Amen.
Yeah.
Blessings. Thank you for those wise words. And be yourself, not Deflex.
Yeah, fullness. Yeah.
Alright, Deflex, kupi paunoenda kwaunoziva usinombotisira something takatoenda something.
Yeah, firstly mnoze tinawangwana wanaitsa kuti logistics nemiti zenu dzese dziitike. So I'd like to say I'd like to just send out a few shout outs.
Yeah, sure.
I'd like to say shout out to Mr. Mshati, yeah, shout out to Mats Baba Archie, yeah, shout out to Mr. Soft Touch, yeah, and shout out to each and every Deflex fan who's going to be watching this. Yeah, you rock my world and yeah, keep it to the fullest. And your freestyle. yo, I'm always full of freestyles. But anyway, midday planet jive and something goes like this. We day alive, yeah. Ngomando sota permanently endendodiwa wholeheartedly fachapa jive unexpectedly chiri kutaurika ndicho exactly fe vakavarairwa pe suddenly avati batanidze tiri separately tenga equation solve simultaneously kwatapindana kondokopinda ndi master phone chef
Deflex, man.
Blessings, Baba.
That was Deflex. You're watching Jive TV. Remember to follow us on all social media. That's Jive TV official, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. My name is Keith Koza. Thank you, Deflex.
Yeah, man.